All right, hey guys, guess where we are? We're back at Namba, Osaka again. It's been raining all day, and usually when it's raining I usually come here. I didn't really have a plan and I was kind of lazy today, so I figured I'd just come down to Namba, just walk around, buy some snacks, and yeah, see some stores. So I came back down here. I don't know if you guys like Namba or not. Leave a comment down below. I tend to just come here when I don't have any plans. The weather is kind of nasty, and I just really like Namba. I never get sick of it. So let me know if you like Namba or if you don't. But I never get sick of this place. So we're gonna walk around and see if there's anything interesting. As always, we'll go to some stores. So I wanted to check out the movie listings. It looks like Shang-Chi is out in IMAX, but I don't think I have time to watch it. They also have Fast and the Furious in IMAX too as well. Yeah. They do characters in here. It's pretty cool. I feel like I'm taking the same routes. Oh, this is new. I haven't seen this. These are brand new. Got some sweet potatoes. Fresh sweet potatoes right there. Yeah, I think the store is pretty new. Whoa. It's all sweet potatoes. And some mochi. Lady cutting some sweet potatoes here. Whoa. That looks good. It doesn't even look edible. I didn't know the Sanrio store was here. Kind of looks empty. Maybe they have more stuff upstairs. This fancy karaoke place reminds me of like a Chinese karaoke. It's pretty fancy in there. Just so many people here. This guy's selling some like watches, but they're like really cheap watches though. I'll show you guys in a second. Alright, I can't get through the crowd, but I think the watch is only $10. I think that's why it's so packed in here. But yeah, they're like all fake Rolex style type of watches. Looks really good in here. Alright, so it stopped raining. I was pretty surprised because I thought it was gonna not rain, but then it just kept on raining every hour when I checked. But I'm gonna go get some snacks at this Asian store. It's a Japanese store, but yeah, I got some snacks last time, so I'm gonna go back again. I don't know what the store is called. It's like Laux, but they had a lot of good snacks in here, so I'm gonna go get some more. Alright, so this store has like all the Asian stuff. They have Thai, Vietnamese, Japanese, not Japanese, and Korean. So this place is pretty popular. I might get a drink, maybe a coconut water. So they like changed up this whole store since last week. Look at all this soju. These are only like $3. I saw some Americans outside chugging these just out of the bottle straight up. Got some Samig. I think that's Filipino. I was just saying I think I saw some Americans chugging these soju bottles outside.
We gotta get some more. We got the apple ones.
You guys want to be filmed? It's recording. These are contractors, Americans. Philadelphia, Connecticut?
Connecticut.
Okay, yeah, they're just here vacationing from Yokohama.
You're like a streamer?
No, I'm just a small... Let me get these nuts here. These are really good. Alright, so here's the notorious bridge. A lot of people coming through. We're taking pictures. I don't know what's going on over here. I think they have some sort of show maybe. Look at how many people there are. It's not that many. I think it's because it was just raining before. Alright, so those guys were like contractors, so they like build stuff. I think they're like engineers. Look at this cool Coca-Cola vending machine. But yeah, I think I was just telling them that because they probably make a lot of money, and yeah, so they basically they come here and then they help maybe Japanese companies build buildings and stuff like that. I'm not really sure, but I was just saying that people with those kind of types of jobs have a lot more fun living in Japan because they make a lot of money, so they can spend a lot more and kind of live a comfortable life. So but yeah, those guys are pretty cool. It's always nice seeing Americans here. I want to go to the fashion district maybe. This building, I feel like I've never seen this building before. Maybe it's new. Maybe they purposely made it like that. This taxi. What is this? I think you rent a room maybe, I don't know. You know, I also noticed those guys, they weren't wearing any masks, whether they're inside or outside. I'm assuming that they're vaccinated and they're not wearing their mask because they choose to. Because like when I see all my friends on like Instagram from back home, they're all not wearing masks. So I don't know, maybe it's an American thing, I'm not sure. But yeah, I wasn't really comfortable wearing masks before, but now I'm just used to it now. So but I thought it was really interesting, all of those friends that they were with together, they weren't wearing any masks. God, I've never been on this side before. This is a pretty cool store. Usually these stores are really expensive. I came into this thrifted store. It's not really a thrift store, but they have thrifted clothes that are really expensive. Like this Dickies t-shirt that's used, about 20 bucks. The store's pretty big, yeah. Some of these like thrift store from a thrift shop back home for like $30, all of these shirts. These shirts too are all 30 bucks. Oh man, I specifically came here because I wanted to check out this store. They have a vintage toy shop here. I'm not sure if they're renovating, but man, this is what I came here for, but it's all closed. And they always have this weird store here. This little door. I think they sell like fancy clothes. Little doorway here. This store with the American flag and a Mustang. This store's called American Wannabe. It's a store full of American goods. It's really popular. It looks like a lot of people are there. It's really interesting. All these guys with American style. I don't know what the style you'd call it, but it's interesting. Yeah, I've never been on this side of the this area. They got some like used secondhand jerseys here. Probably expensive, for like 40 bucks. Yeah, and then it gets around, get a little sleazier on this area where all the love hotels are. Like this one. This one is 80 bucks for 30 minutes. 30 minutes of use. Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn around soon. But yeah, I think maybe some of these are new restaurants. American Cafe. This place is called America-mura. American Village. It's really small though. Yeah, this is where it starts getting with like hotels and stuff. It's like a restaurant. This is like the far end here. Places like this, Club Hearts. I think this is, I don't know what this is. It's probably one of those shady places. We got a bunch of hotels here. Alright, they got this graffiti out here, but you can go inside this store. Oh, they got like a record store here too. Interesting. Everything's all wet and nasty. Whoa! Oh, it goes right through to the next street. A lot of vintage clothes here. Whoa, I never knew this existed. Look at this White Sox jacket. I definitely would like this. It's just really expensive though. It's like it's brand new. I wonder how much it is. It smells like used clothes here. It's pretty crazy. Whoa. don't even know if this is like one store or if this is like a bunch of stores. I'm gonna go back and check it out. Each store. They got like a motorcycle here. Probably doesn't even run. There's like nobody here. Oh. Then it just goes out to the other street where oh, this is where we just at. Alright, I'm gonna go check it out. So these shirts are only $10, but it's just so crazy how expensive this stuff is. I personally like thrifted clothes. I used to shop at thrift stores back home because I think it's pretty cool. I like the old style, like 80s, 90s t-shirts, but it's crazy because they're so hard to get. They're so overpriced. So like, you know, a shirt you get for like $1 back in the thrift store is like 40 bucks here. So I just can't justify buying a t-shirt here. So if I do go back, I'm going to... Oh shit! I'm just making videos, man. What are you doing? Alright, so that's Zane. He's been in some other videos of mine. That's so crazy because this is like the back end of Namba, and I don't really have a lot of friends, so he's probably like one of 5 friends, and it's crazy that I just randomly found him here coming out of this like random thrift store. So yeah, anyways, I was just saying, like, when I go back home, I'm probably going to be going to a bunch of thrift stores and just buying t-shirts for like $1. But it's just crazy how like overpriced the stuff is. But look at all this, like all these people here. I think this is like a milk tea store, bubble tea, and bubble tea also has been getting crazy popular here. Look at this line wraps around this whole place. Oh, wait a minute, maybe it's not milk tea. Maybe they're trying to get into the store. I don't know what the store does. Damn, Chicago, Illinois, that's where I'm from. It's crazy. Cats, delicatessen. I bet you these hats are expensive. This Newport shirt is like 80 bucks, half off. It's crazy. Alright, I just came out of this store. They had a lot of pretty cool stuff in there. So many vintage stores around here. This place got some antique furniture as well outside. This place is crazy. Like these old bikes here. Can't really see inside though. Got some British antiques in here. Not really antiques. Look at this Stanford sweater, 40 bucks, 40 bucks, 40 bucks. These sides are probably really expensive. This place is usually busy. Well, I mean, I guess it's kind of busy right now. But yeah, it's pretty crazy, all these thrift store antique shops that are so expensive. Alright, which way should we go? So this is not really the fashion district, this is America-mura, but I think I'm gonna go to the fashion district. Oh, there's like a new store here. I see a Chicago Cubs shirt. It's crazy to see all these American clothes out here. Fried chicken place, Nene's chicken is Korean style chicken. These Korean stuff is really popular nowadays with all the K-pop and stuff. This looks really delicious. Alright, I think this is like a huge store. You gotta go through there, but they have clothes outside. These are on sale maybe. How much this Cubs jersey is. Oh, Bryant. This guy was, when I was in high school, I forgot what his first name. They're small though. Like 35 bucks. Kane? They're so small though. So these shirts are cheaper, like 500 yen for a t-shirt. But they're like shirts that you don't want to buy. And they're really small. This place is called Good Boys. Alright, looks like they're having some sort of performance inside there. I don't know if you can see, there's some people inside. Oh my gosh, the place is really lively today. I'm kind of glad I came down this street. In that building, they're going crazy. What's going on in here? Oh, it's so hard to see. Alright, here's Triangle Park. This is where a lot of young people hang out, but this is pretty deserted. Usually on the weekends it's really packed here, but looks like there's not that many people here. And it looks like it's gonna rain. They got some Blue Seal ice cream here. This is new. They just opened one in Kyoto too. It's special Okinawa ice cream, and you can only get in Okinawa, but it's really delicious. This building looks pretty cool. Alright, this mall has been closed for a while, but I think now it's open. I've done a full tour about this place. It's probably in the Osaka playlist somewhere. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. It was a lot of fun today. The weather is hot and humid and rainy and soggy and wet, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed coming along with me today to all the stores, and I might make another video after this. I'm not sure, but thank you for coming along, and thank you for watching. See you later. Goodbye.